What's up guys, welcome to another Deadbeat DEATHbX video. Today, we are going to be replacing / upgrading our stock head unit for another stock head unit. Now, this one came out of release series at the local pick-apart. It was a green Envy. That thing was smashed all to hell. I'm not really a huge sound system car guy, you know. As you can see, I am trying to get rid of as much weight out of the DEATHbX because why not in race car? I mean, I got two 20-inch, you know, bass drums running out of dual 18s, so I'm just kidding. I've been told that there is some slight improvements and upgrades by switching out this stock one. This one I believe can also run if I were to ever to pick up, like, I guess I think it's like the DVD headrest, and I don't know what other components I would need in order to make that run, but I believe this would power all of that. I would just need to make sure I get all the electricals for that. But yeah, I figured if anyone else wanted to do this and they, you know, scored one of these out of their local pick-apart and they wanted to do the small upgrade, this video would show you how to do it. But before we get into it, please do me a favor. Please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Let's get to it. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off our HVAC knobs to reveal two Phillips screws. So let's take both of these out. Now, yours probably will look different than this, and it's not a big deal. Just once we take off these screws, we'll be able to gently pry and remove this. Also, one other thing, you may have some plastic screws in here that you will have to get out. I don't have them in mine, so I'm glad I just remembered that, so don't forget that. But yeah, take these out, take these two screws out, so let's do that. Once you do that, you will reveal your stereo unit, and we just need to remove 1, 2, 3, and that 4th screw. So remove 4 of those screws, and we should be able to pull this stock stereo out. gently pull on it. And we just need to unplug, looks like three electrical connectors. So let's unplug those. After you have connected your new ALPINE release series head unit, like this, you can go back and reinstall it. There's these little pegs. Just line them up. Just like that. And then you're good to put those 4 screws that go right there. I guess I could have done this before putting the 4 screws on there, but let me turn the key just to make sure that it actually works. Oh yeah, we're good. Okay, we got power. Since I'm doing this with one hand, I kind of already wanted to set up my waterfall here, but go ahead and install your waterfall after you had double check to make sure that everything worked and was connected. And just be gentle. Make sure everything's good. Make sure. So yeah, looks like we are good. Yeah. Alright. After that, remember to put in your 2 screws. After we do that, we'll be able to put in our HVAC knobs and be sure to put them in the correct way. You don't want to ruin or round off these little edges here, so put them in gently, okay? So let's do that. Guess what I found? So, I almost forgot. Don't forget to put your little plastic pieces right here, okay guys? Well guys, I actually put a CD in here and I went through all the little adjustments and everything to make it sound decent. It looks like everything was hooked up correctly and everything is working fine. So success. You can do this as well. It's not a huge upgrade, but for me it's a little something. And yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. If you did find this video helpful, please do me a favor, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, that way you don't miss out my next video.